Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Open Broadcaster software in Ubuntu. So first we need to run the sudo apt-update. So this will update your repository. Then after that we need to add this repository obs project slash obs-studio. Just add it, press enter. Okay, done. So then run this sudo apt-update command again. So when you run it again, you can see the repository which you added here. See the repository which you added. Okay, then after that you can run this command sudo apt install obs-studio. Type y and press enter. So it will download around 43 MB. Okay, so please wait. Okay, installation completed. I have opened this OBS Studio. It means just for recording. So I am doing this recording settings. You can see the frame rate here. So I need only 30. Resolution. Okay, this is fine. Next. Now it's testing the recording. Okay, testing completed. Apply settings. So let me check the version of this software. It's 23. Okay, so this way we can install this OBS in Windows. Sorry, in Ubuntu. So please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment.